Okay, so when we downloaded the manual, we unzip it and we go into the folder. So we need to install Acrobat Reader 5.0. Okay, and then after we installed it, we're going to open user win, and we're going to go to intro. So actually every single thing in here is the name of the module that you want to read. So let's open the intro first. So now when we open this, you have bookshelf, syntax reference, master index, table of content. So let's go to the here. You have introduction, outsource series, test system hardware, board method, developing a board test fixture. So read every single thing in here from the beginning, no skipping. Okay? So the introduction, it will tell you what you need to know. Don't skip this. So you will know what it has inside the system. So when you're done with introduction, we're going to see the system hardware. What is a quad, dual, and single module system? So you have to look in here. This is the machine. Well, nothing comes easy. You have to read. This is a really thick one. If you know what a test fixture is like, how to develop it, then this is a test fixture. They will explain to you. Alright? On the Mac, they don't have the Acrobat 5.0, so you cannot use the master index. They don't link together, so you cannot really use it. But this is good for Windows, right? And then if you want to master index, if you want to find something, start with A, B, C, D. So you can search straight from there. Alright, so this one is the Mac OS Sonoma. So they come standard with the preview. So the preview is actually very good, but because of the security of some type, we cannot really open it and link it with everything else. So actually you have to go on and do it one by one instead. So when we try to link it, it seems to have a permission problem of the files inside there.